Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Gmail on your PC. Make sure you use a browser you trust. Once signed in, click your avatar and choose Manage your Google account. This opens the Control Center. You need your recovery email and phone ready because Google will check them, keep any backup codes, or an authenticator app available. Now go to Security in the left menu and prepare to inspect two-step verification settings so you can remove the Verify It's You prompts safely. You'll re-enter your password to access two-step verification. This is normal. Once in, review the list of verification methods: Google prompts, phone numbers, backup codes, and authenticator apps. If the Google prompt is causing repeated Verify It's You prompts, remove it and add a more stable method like an authenticator app or a trusted phone number. Make sure to generate backup codes before removing any method, because once removed you risk being locked out. After removing the problematic verification option, confirm changes and sign out from devices you no longer use. Once done, clear your browser cache and cookies, then sign back in to test that the Verify It's You prompt is gone. If you still face prompts, re-enable a stable method like an authenticator app. And if something goes wrong, for example you get locked out, use your backup codes, recovery email, or Google's account recovery. Those will let you regain access without the prompt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.